You guys, my grandma and my aunt are the ones who package your order, so if there's anything wrong, blame them. I'll give you their email so you can email them.
Thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so grateful for my ex.
What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 3 and my mom is here. Say hi, Mom.
Good morning.
She's in the kitchen cooking, which is it's not a usual place for my mother. My mother does not like to cook, and right now she is struggling trying to make crescent rolls. Let me show you.
It's not happening, guys. I'm so sorry.
I believe in you, Mother. You got this. I'm still in my sleepy shirt because today we're doing packaging and I just don't feel like getting dressed yet, so you're probably gonna deal with me looking ratchet today. Mother, you did a fantastic job. Just want you to know that. So my mom just made 2 gallons of Chanel No. 2. My mom has become like great at making Chanel. Look at how thick this is. It's amazing. And it's only gonna get even glossier and thicker as it sits. Bam. Also, here's an update on the clear base slime that I made. Ain't that crazy? Like, it literally doesn't even look like it was just made yesterday. And it hasn't even been 24 hours. Love it. I love the color. I don't want to touch it too much because then it's going to get foggy, but you know, it's good. So I have a little bit of a dilemma. If you're wondering what I'm looking at my computer. I'm on the Office Depot website right now. Okay, so on my slime, I don't even know if there's one that I can show you. Yeah, right here. So I use these labels right here. Let me see if it'll focus. Focus on that, please. I use these labels here that say like the name of the slime. So this is Chanel No. 2. This is actually not Chanel No. 2 in it, but it was a Chanel No. 2 container. So yeah, I have not been able to find those. Oh, my eye is so red. I just got out of the shower, so that's probably why. Yeah, my attention span is this small. As you can see, I get distracted very easily. But yeah, I can't find those labels. They're not in any of the Office Depots or Office Maxes in my city. So I'm gonna try to look for them online. So unfortunately, if you ordered from me this past restock, you are not gonna have a name label on there. I'm so sorry about that, but I'm actually gonna try to find some different ones. I want to find some clear labels. So I'm gonna look for those right now and see how all that works. I'm just a little bit nervous because I've never used any other labels besides those. I've been using them for probably over a year now. So I'm like shook that I can't find them anywhere anymore. And it's probably because everybody is like, you know, grabbing them for their slime shops and stuff, which is understandable. So, you know, just gotta adapt and move towards a new sticker, a new label. So what can you do? My lavender ornaments finally came in, so my tree is complete. Well, at least one of them. I just need to get batteries for the top. I don't have any batteries for this, so it's gonna have to wait. But I think she a bop. She cute. She real cute. She a skinny legend. Look who's finally back from vacation and ready to work.
Not really ready, but I have to.
Well, we're getting it all done tonight, so cry now. I want to show y'all some of the extras that we put in orders. So we have like little putties. It's looking a little sad right now. There's not like a whole bunch. I need to order a lot more, but I have some stamps that we usually give out as well. These like little erasers. I have little like bouncy pop things. We have a whole bunch of squishies too, but those are being used right now. And then, of course, some more putties, you know, some little good stuff. It's looking very, very sad, but we usually replenish this often. Look, even little dino putties I have, so I like to get these. They're pretty cool. Okay, so Slimes by Kit Kat is packaging the single orders right now. So basically what she does is every single slime, first of all, is shrink band so that nothing leaks. And then we put in some candy, a business card, and a baggie of borax in the single orders as well. And then like random orders get like little toys or something like that as we have them. So pretty much it. So for the double orders, if you order 2 slimes, then you actually get them all bubble wrapped inside of a bubble mailer, so it's super protected. And then you also get some candy and a little squishy toy as well. They come random, so you get like either a squishy or like candy. You know, it just comes randomly in the order. You guys, my grandma and my aunt are the ones who package your order, so if there's anything wrong, blame them. I'll give you their email so you can email them. So if you order 3 to 4 slimes, you actually get like a little toy extra or like a squishy. Everything comes at random, like I said, and it is while supplies last. But you definitely get like the slime you ordered and some candy, borax, and a business card, of course. Okay, so now we're gonna do the orders of 5 or more. We call it our unicorn experience. It's just basically like an experience package. So we first start off with the bubble wrap. We put the bubble wrap down just to make sure that it's protected. And then we also add some tissue paper to make it look a little bit nicer. And then we add the slimes, but we're gonna bubble wrap the slime. The post office is kind of crazy right now because of the holidays, so we're just taking that extra precaution. Normally we really don't like bubble wrap them individually because they're pretty secure, like in the box with bubble wrap, but we're doing it now for the holidays just to make sure that if you're buying gifts or anything like that, it doesn't like break on you. So that's that. Okay, so in addition to the slimes, you actually get 1 free extra slime. We usually give a 4, 6, or an 8 ounce, whatever we have in stock. And then you get a jumbo squishy, you get a bunch of extra candy, and you know, some little other add-ins as well. You get more borax as well. So if you live in another country or anything like that, we will give you a lot of more borax so you can have it to activate your slime. And then we top it off with another layer of the bubble wrap and another layer of the tissue paper just to really round out that experience. And that's the unicorn experience. And that is how we package our orders. I am so exhausted. It is literally like 10:30 p.m. right now. It legit takes us a whole day to package our orders because we get so many of them, and just because we are really like detailed and we like to take our time doing them to make sure that they get to you safely. So that is that. I am exhausted. This has been a day. I don't even know if I vlogged that much. I hope this is like at least 6 or 7 minute vlog so that you have something to keep you a little bit occupied if you're feeling bored or whatever. I have been wanting to do a video like this for such a long time, and I don't even know if I did it justice. I may just do like an updated one because we were pretty shook today. We had a lot of orders, surprisingly. So, you know, that is that. I also have a really crazy story time. I mean, it's not the craziest thing that could ever happen, but it's crazy for me. I don't get out much. So I ordered a whole bunch of glue on Amazon, and I got a notification saying that it was here. So naturally I go to my door because sometimes they don't ring my doorbell. So I go to my door, my front door, and I look for the packages of glue. It should be 3 big boxes of glue, right? Well, there's nothing, sis. Let me tell you, there was 0 boxes, 0 glues. I was shook. So I'm thinking, because for those of you who don't know, I actually live in a townhome. If you don't know what a townhome is, it's basically like, it's like an apartment, but it's a full house. So it has like its own garage, has a front door, has a back door, has like a little yard. Like, it's legit a house, but it's for people who like apartment settings, you know what I mean? So I basically live in an apartment, but it's a house. It's kind of confusing, but whatever. I actually have a house tour if you want to see. It's on my vlog channel. Rest in peace, my vlog channel, because I have just let it die. I'm so sorry about that, but the vlogs are here now and y'all seem to be loving them, so thank you. Anyways, back on track. So I was going to check on Amazon to see if they left it at the front office, because sometimes they do that. But then I was thinking, yo, it's like 7:45 and the office closes at 7. What you gonna do? So I was like, okay, there has to be another way. So I actually go into the order and I see that they took photos of where they left it, and it wasn't my front door. It was a completely different door. So I was like, did they really just leave my glue at someone else's house? Like, I ordered 20 gallons of clear glue and 8 bottles of the clear glue quartz from Elmer's. So I was pretty shook. I was like, okay, there is literally no logical explanation. Like, whose door is that? Because there's like a whole bunch of townhomes here. So am I really about to go to every single house, look at their front door and see if they took my glue? Like, you know what I mean? So I ended up actually going through, because since there was 3 different boxes, there was 3 different pictures, and for some reason one of the pictures, they had like a larger view of the front, and I got to see their house number. So I was like, okay, so we need to find this house. Like, they got my glue, I'm about to run up. So we went finding this house and nobody was there, thankfully. So we just snatched it from the front porch, and I feel so bad about it still, even though it's my stuff. Like, I feel like I legit stole my own stuff right now, and you know, it kind of got me feeling crazy, but it was my stuff. It had my name on it. I ordered it, I paid for it. I just gotta snatch it off of your front porch, you know what I'm saying? So it was a little bit weird, but yeah, that's my crazy story time for today. I love when stuff like that happens. It got me a little anxious because I'm not one that's scared of confrontation when it's happening, you know what I mean? Like, I will run up to whoever, I really don't care, but I get nervous thinking about it, you know what I mean? But like, when the time comes, I'm ready to pop off, honey. Like, I will snatch anybody's wig. I don't care who you is, because a lot of people are online gangsters, and I'm not like that. I will really pop it off. I get more crazier than I am in my head, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm like ready to like pop off on everybody. I am going to go ahead and end the vlog right here because my wig is in my bed and I need to go snatch it. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you like enjoyed videos like this, because I literally have been wanting to make a like how I package my order type of videos. So hope you liked it. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much. I hope that you are enjoying Vlogmas so far, and I will see you all tomorrow in the next one. Bye.